Hello, this is Stephanie Herrera, Final Project. The name is Level Up with Tasks, and this is a simple task manager that rewards the user with XP for completing tasks. So we'll start off with importing the built-in logging module, and then we have our logging configuration, which allows to track debugging or any other critical issues. The program records events in a log file called levelup.log. And the program uses object-oriented programming, functions, lists, manager tasks, logging to manager tasks, and tracks the user progress and records important events. So I'll move on to showing my classes. The first class is task. So when it's created, it starts off as incomplete and worth 20 XP. We have our player class here, and this is to keep track of the user's level. Once they reach up to 100 XP, then the player will level up. For my functions, we have the add task. And this is what converts it to a task object and stored into a task list. And then we have our task append. Task append, which stores all the tasks currently being created. For the complete task, this is what makes the task complete and then sends out the XP reward. And then player add. This is where both objects interact. And then for my main, this is what controls the overall flow and creates everything pretty much and uses the while loop. Okay, so I'll go ahead and run my program here. Okay, so this is my displayed menu, level up with tasks. The user can add, view, complete, delete, and view. View the stats and exit. So we'll go ahead and start with the first option, and we'll do finish project. Enter. And we'll go ahead and go into the second option to view our tasks. You'll see what you typed in, and then it'll show up as not completed. For the next choice, option 3, hit enter, and then it'll ask you to enter the task number to complete. So we'll say we'll completed the first task, and then to view the stats, you click 5, and this is where you can see how much XP you've been rewarded. And I like to demonstrate the log. This is where you can see all of the trackings, and it will tell you if there's any debuggings or any critical issues that need to be addressed. The program successfully manages tasks and rewards the user with XP with object-oriented design. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching.